This is a video chart presentation of Petrowest Corp. Petrowest trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange, our ticker PRW. It's a one-year chart for Petrowest. See real nice climb it's made over the last year. Had a resistance around 80 cents. It broke through back in October. Held that resistance point as a new support level. Went all the way up to find highs at $1.14 in January. Stock has slid back since then, but held a nice support above the 200-day moving average and some static support around 90 cents. Made a move on Thursday, closed up 6.4%. Nice surge in volume to 854,000 shares traded, pushed back through the 50-day moving average. With coming off of that base on the increase in volume, I think this is a chart to keep an eye on for continued push and a possible test of these old highs. See the MACD broke back down through zero, sliding back from the highs. Then started to trend slightly upward, moving back towards zero. And now is even trying to make that break with Thursday's move. Something that we always look for. Technical traders call that breaking the money line because it's a sign of a shift back towards bullishness for the overall trend. So we'll want to keep an eye on that to see both components back above zero. Similar to back through here in October, when the MACD moved back through zero. See, that's when the stock price took off. That's what we'd be looking for now. We're getting signs from the slow stow that momentum is certainly back into play. Breaking nicely to the upper half of the indicator, now registering at 85, telling us the bulls are taking control. Money flow index, also back to the upper half of the indicator for the first time since January. It's a bullish sign to see the price trading well above its 14-day average. Relative strength index finally made its way back to the upper half as well. See the 14 now at a 62. Plenty of room before it reaches any oversold type of condition. Similar to slow stow, it's just telling us the bulls have taken control of momentum. Now what I really like about this is the way it held this 200-day moving average and the support level. I'm just going to call it at 90 cents. Even though right through here it tried to pop through it twice, you can see it closed down on both of those days. That was a clear resistance level. When the stock gapped through it right here early in December, that's a pretty strong sign that the bulls are really trying to run with this thing. You can see, of course, price per share continued upward. Big surge in volume came on the second day, really giving it a nice push. And in classic TA fashion, you'd want to see that resistance point hold as support. And outside of several dips below it, it pulled up every day into the close to continue to hold that support level on a daily chart. Any pullback, of course, that's what we'll be looking for to hold again. Or it's very likely the stock's probably going to come back down to 80 cents, where this old resistance was. Actually held as support right through here as well. But the chart becoming much more ugly if that happened. Stock price be back below the 200-day. 50-day'd probably drop a bearish cross. There just wouldn't be that much appealing about it at that point, other than looking for a possible move back off a support level. Right now we're looking for continued upward pressure. We'll see how this stock does dealing with the resistance point right where it closed on Thursday at $1. Again, you can see that was the support level when the stock was hitting highs. Been formed as a resistance point. And the dollar mark is typically a psychological barrier as well. So let's just see how the stock does. If it moves through that, I would definitely look for some more resistance right here at $1.05. If the stock price can make it through that, I think it's going to come challenge these old highs. Right up there at $1.14. This happened to be a $1.13 high. This was a $1.11 high. But I think there's a very good chance it'll go up and challenge that peak again and try and make a new 52-week high. As I said, volume surged on Thursday, well above what's probably a 3-month average. Stock typically trades more around a couple 100,000, maybe 400,000, 500,000 shares in a day. That was a nice increase. They'll be looking for volume to stay strong on continuation of this move. But it's a nice looking chart. Looks like it's trying to break back out, coming off this support level, and one we'll keep an eye on going forward to see how it performs. But as always, merely my interpretation of the PRW chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. And do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.